What's up, fam? It's Avery. Today's the day I'm gonna buy a new computer, so let's go. Quick computer check. This is my 2010 MacBook Air that I got in college. I haven't tried turning this on in years, so let's see what happens. I actually tried editing a video on this years ago. It was like a 30-second video, and it took me 2 or 3 hours to actually get the content to load and to edit it. So absolutely brutal, and definitely time for something new. So after a few seconds, it did actually start up. So very cool, and looking forward to a newer Apple product. All right, time to unbox this new MacBook Pro. It's nice of Apple to include their proprietary charger with the computer. And just like that, we're ready to make a video. All right, see you later.